Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? On today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you guys one of the best breakfasts that you can make for your family. This is not a recipe. I'm just doing my normal breakfast, so I decided to share with you all, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel or follow this page, don't forget to follow this page, okay? And you can give me a star. You can subscribe to my Facebook. The subscribe button is on for you to support me every day, okay? This breakfast idea is really good for you and your family. I hope you enjoyed. It's healthy, it's nice, and it's so lovely. Try it and let me know on the comment section. And please tell me where you are watching from. Alright guys, I will be seeing you all on my next video. Bye.
Keeping you close.